Welcome to the DIRECTV Reward Center, your one-stop resource to claim and track your reward and activate and monitor your DIRECTV reward card balance. This video highlights how to claim your DIRECTV reward and track its status. Let's get started. You'll receive a reward notification letter via email within 6 weeks of activating your qualifying DIRECTV service. This email includes your claim number and the deadline for claiming your DIRECTV reward. Be sure to visit directv-rewardcenter.com from your computer or mobile device before this date to quickly and easily claim your DIRECTV reward. On the left, select Access Your Rewards and sign in by entering the claim number on your email or by entering your DIRECTV account number and zip code from the top of your statement. Then click Access Your Rewards. Your eligible reward will appear. If you have more than one DIRECTV reward, you'll need to complete the following steps for each one. Next, click on the blue Claim It Now button. Once you've reviewed the terms and conditions, click the blue Accept Terms and Conditions button. You can also review your reward status on your personal DIRECTV reward tracker. The DIRECTV reward tracker is available anytime, day or night, with the most up-to-date status of your reward. That's it! You've claimed your DIRECTV reward. Once the service requirement has been met, most customers receive their reward in about 3 weeks. After receiving your DIRECTV reward card in the mail, you'll need to return to the DIRECTV Reward Center to activate it. You can also return anytime to check your reward balance. Thank you for watching this video. DIRECTV hopes you enjoy your DIRECTV reward.